Hello friends, this is Radhika Allu. Today we are making cabbage onion chapati with both roti maker and tawa. What is this? Roti maker and tawa? What can I do? I bought it, so I use it to get the perfect shape. And frankly, that is the only use it has. Anyways, for chapati we need whole wheat flour 1.5 glasses, roughly 200 grams cabbage, few curry leaves, 8 to 10 slit green chilies, 2 medium sized onions, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon and salt according to taste, and curd half glass. Add the coarsely chopped cabbage to the food processor and shred it. There is no need to worry about the shape in which you cut, as the shredder will do its job. Then add onions, curry leaves, green chilies, salt, and cumin seeds. You can also add coriander leaves. Shred them well. Now it is the time to add the whole wheat flour. We need to make sure that the consistency is on the wet side. Add curd and mix the dough. Prefer curd as it gives a better taste over adding water. You can also mix the dough with hand. In that case, make sure it has consistency similar to that of chapati dough. The dough will look similar to this. Here is our roti maker. Turn it on and also heat the tawa as we are going to use them simultaneously. I use this roti maker for this purpose to flatten the dough into a perfect shape so it can get on the hot tawa. I tried a lot to replace my tawa with this, but no matter how and what we try, the advertisements somehow get wonderful rotis while I don't. So tawa it is. In fact, this chapati does not need any curry. Apply a little bit of ghee to it while frying and you will tell me what bliss is. Here I am serving these chapatis with aloo parwal curry and some curd. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Love you friends.